Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Nattie Sue Beauty. If you haven't already, go ahead and If you haven't already, you should go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button down below. Today we're going to talk about this Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation. I just stopped on my way home from work and I picked this up because lately my go-to has been the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, which is this bad boy right here, but I ran out of this morning. I still have some, but it's very, very slim pickings in this bottle. So I picked this up. It wasn't that much more, but it comes in this little box. It actually reminds me of some high-end products because it like pops up out here. You've got the mirror, you've got this cool little, I did use it just right before this video to test it out, and then I figured I'd make a video. So it comes with this little pad, which I don't know if I'm necessarily going to use it for like everyday normal application because I have my Tarte Beauty Blender, but so it's got this, it's got like a little holder that it goes into, which is cute. And then this pops open. Okay, so it looks like this. I don't know if you can see, but it's like a sponge. So push it, and then it's pretty, you get a lot of product. I will say that. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna test this out on my face. I tested it out like right here when I first got it, which was like 2 hours ago. So it actually looked pretty nice. So we're gonna test it out on my whole face. I took all of my foundation off that I wore to work today. So we are going to test this out together. So let's get started. I'm not gonna put any primer on my face because I'm just gonna take a shower and go to bed. So, but I also did get this. I'm gonna play with this later. Not today, but a later day, and figure out how to work this. But let's go ahead and get started. Press. So it doesn't really pick up much on here, but we'll see. Okay, unless it like soaks in there. All right, let's just get started. Should I zoom you in and you see all the flaws of my face? Okay, I'm not zooming you in any closer. Okay. Yeah, definitely not going to be using this every day. I might have gotten a little bit too dark of one, but oh well. So it did say that it was illuminating, luminous, lightweight and buildable, hydrating formula, which I definitely need because this right here, I don't know if it's from my birth control, but this is like, it's not brown, but it's just darker. I don't know, can you see it? It's very embarrassing, so. But yeah, it's a little bit drier down here on my chin for my birth control, so I definitely need all of the hydrating formulas and all of the, like right now I'm using, which is almost gone, I use this Revitalift for, like before I go to bed, I'll put that on. Wow, this doesn't dry very quickly. So it's just kind of like sitting. Like, you see how it looks dewy, which is good, but I also look like I'm sweating. So we might have to tone that down with like a little pressed powder, but I'm gonna actually switch this. I'm gonna switch from this to my beauty blender and see how this works, which is really dirty. Probably shouldn't have showed you that, but let's see if this will work. Or maybe I can, I definitely will say I like the coverage. Coverage is nice. Okay, I lied. I'm going back to this thingy. And I'll blend it out with my beauty blender. My beauty blender. Because I think you get a little bit more product when you use it with this thing. So it's Friday. Hope you guys had a good day. I didn't. I was very busy. I was constantly doing something. Every time I thought that I caught up on something at work, I had to do something else. Everybody was asking me questions. Guess that's what happens when you manage a hotel. Although I like to hide myself in my office. Don't talk to me. I'm not gonna lie. I am a fan. I am definitely a fan of this. This might be my new go-to. I might be going back and forth with Wet n Wild. That is if you like drugstore products. I like drugstore products because I'm not bringing in the dough, so you know, I'm not gonna spend 30-40 bucks on a foundation that I use every day. That's just a waste of money to me, but to each their own. If that's what you want to do, go right ahead and do it. I don't want to look like I'm sweating. I'm sure nobody wants to look like they're sweating. So again, Wet n Wild, just gonna use their pressed powder, which I'm not 100%, like I'm not a huge fan of their pressed powder because it's not like a mind-blowing, you have to get it, but I do like it. Ooh, can you tell? Just with that little bit, look what it did. It definitely mattified that a little bit. Definitely mattified that. Win-win. Go in all over. I'm impressed. Definitely impressed. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. Even though I'm going to bed. You gotta do the whole face. Gotta get the whole effect going. I'm not gonna get crazy with this. Let's do this. Oh, my beauty blender is not wet, but I should be using a brush to put this on, but I'm kind of in a hurry. My camera's gonna die. Blend this out. Quickly, quickly, quickly. This is gonna be like a 5-minute video. What about a 5-minute face? I think you could do it with this foundation. Well, I guess I cheated because I used the makeup that I had done already this morning for work, so you can't really do a 5-minute face when, well, you can do a 5-minute face, but I cheated. I already had my makeup done. Okay. All right, a little blush. Get this bad boy on. A little blush or a lot of blush because I love blush. If you watched my other videos, you know that I love it. Love, 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 love it. Okay. Blush is on. Gotta hurry. My camera is on 4% now. Okay, and I've also been obsessed with this lip combination. So it's NYX in MGNDOW. I don't know what color it is. I think it's, I don't know, but it's in the extra creamy lipstick. It's like a brown nudie color. But I'll put this on. Looks like that. And then I take Matte Long Lasting Lip Gloss by Essence in I don't know what color. And I'll put that on the inside. Blend it out. So it looks like that. Let's throw on some highlighter real quick. What's up, friends? What's up, those haters? Oh, yes. On the nose, on the tip of the nose, on the bridge of the nose. Looks like an exclamation point. Boop. You know what? Let's go crazy. Let's go crazy. Okay. Spray it. Even though I'm taking a shower, I don't know why I just sprayed that. That was a waste of product. But I'm a fan. I am a fan of this. If you guys have tried it, let me know what you think down in the comments. Let me know any other products by Wet n Wild that I should probably try or have to try that are, you know, mind-blowing, because this is mind-blowing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.